Hello.
Hi,
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Where are you today? Are you at home?
Yes,
Yes. Okay. So let us have a conversation about random questions. Okay. You ready? Okay. You ready now?
yes.
Okay, this one. First question. So what are the qualities you look for a friend? I guess you have a lot of friends, right? How many friends do you have?
I don't know.
Uh-huh. Do you have friends, by the way?
Yes,
Yes, around how many?
um, two.
Two. Okay. So, can you describe your friends? Are they good? Do they help you with your homework? Do you play with them?
Yes,
Okay. And then, what do you play with them? Do you play
um,
football together?
play
Uh-huh.
Uno cat.
Okay. What else? What else do you do with your friend? Do you play games with your friend?
Yes,
Yes, okay. Are they boys, by the way? Are they boys or girls?
boy.
Boys, okay. Next one. What is your favorite sport to play?
Um, my favorite sport is swimming.
Swimming. Okay. Another one. What about this? Some responsibilities you have at the moment. Like this day, what do you do? At this moment, what do you do?
Um,
Responsibility ka ba? How could you say it in Thai? Responsibility. Okay, this one. Responsibility is. Mhm.
ภาระติดพัน
Am I right? Like at this moment, what do you do? Do you study hard? Do you study well?
Yes,
Yes. Okay. Why do you study well? Why do you need to study?
Winston D. and Ban Taksin Bakai
Uh-huh.
National School.
Uh-huh. All right. So why do you need to study? Why do we need to study something? Or why do we need to study in a school? What do you think?
I don't know.
To, Alana, why do we need to study in school?
Um, I don't know.
Uh-huh. Why do we need to study? Oh, this one.
ทำไมเราต้องเรียน
To, what do you think? You don't know? Okay, I will ask you this question now. So,
Yeah.
why are you studying? To
Um,
learn? To learn about something.
About something.
And then to learn about some fundamentals in English, some math, right? Some science. Okay. What about this? What love means to you? Love bawa alay. What is love? Love bawa alay na? How do you say love in Thai?
Love.
What does it mean?
I don't know.
You don't know? What love means to you?
ความรักมีความหมายต่อคุณอย่างไร
Did you answer that? Just try it.
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know to answer.
Okay. Love is something we feel. Tama?
Yes.
Yes, we feel it. Okay. Do you love your mom?
Yes.
Okay. Do you love your dad?
Yes.
Okay. What about this one? How many friends do you have again?
2.
2. Okay. What about this? Tell me something about the people you live with. By the way, how many are you at home?
5 people.
You are 5 at home. Okay. So, whom do you live with? Okay. Who do you live with? Do you live with your mom, dad? What else?
Mom, dad,
And then
parents and grandparents.
grandparents. Okay. Do you have siblings again?
No.
Okay. All right. So, all right. The people you live with are your parents and your grandparents. Okay. What about this? Your happiest memory. Yeah. Where you been happy?
Yes.
Yes. When? When was that? Like, what did you do? Why were you happy that time? Can you tell me? Can you share me
I don't-
something? Don't answer me, I don't know na.
Okay.
You have mentioned that you were happy before. Okay, like what did you do? Where did you go? Or I will change the question. What makes you happy? What makes you happy?
I'm happy for computer.
Okay, what about this one?
อะไรที่ทำให้คุณมีความสุข
Do you feel happy when you have food? Okay. Do you feel happy when you go somewhere? To the beach?
Yes.
What else?
Play a computer.
Playing computer. Playing games. Okay. What about this? What about your unhappiest memory? What are the things that makes you sad or cry?
Non-teacher.
None. Okay. Are you not afraid of something? What are the things that you are scared of? Are you scared of a spider or something? Or some animals? No? Are you afraid of the dark?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Okay. What are the animals that you don't like?
I don't like snake.
Why? Why don't you like snakes?
It is scary.
It's scary. Okay. What about this one? What would happen if you won the lottery? I mean lottery. Do you play lottery?
Mm,
Okay. If you won the lottery, what will you do?
uh,
Like, what will you buy? Something like
buying a car.
again?
Buying a car and buying all the kitchen.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what else? If you will win around 6 million baht, what will you do? Do you feel happy when you won the lottery?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Okay. So what else do you buy?
Buy a phone.
Buying a
Buy a
phone?
phone. Gaming.
Okay. Phone gaming. Okay. It looks like you really love gaming on your phone. What about this one? Something you are scared of. Aside from a snake, what else do you scared of?
Spider.
Spider. Okay. What about this one? What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite ice cream flavor is Stevenson.
Swenson. Oh, wow. Pricey. Okay, what about this one? Which three wishes you would choose? Wish แปลว่าอะไรนะ
อะไร
Okay. So, what are the three wishes you would choose? I wish I would have a high grades. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you give me another two wishes? What else?
I don't
What
know.
are your wishes? What do you wish? Can you tell me? I wish I could
I
learn
wish
something.
something.
Mm-hmm. Okay, can you give me another one? Do you love math?
Yes.
Yes. What about science? Do you like science?
Yes.
Yes. What about art? Do you like art also?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What about this? Someone is special in your life. Special tawa na? What do you mean by special? Something you love, someone you love. Mm-hmm. Is there someone special in your life?
Yes.
Yes. Who is that?
I don't.
Uh-huh. You answered me yes. Then who is that? Is that your
Yes.
mom, your dad, your grandma?
Yes.
Uh-huh. What about this one? Someone or who you would like to hug right now. hug แปลว่า hug something like this one. Who you would like to hug right now?
Yes.
Who?
I don't
Some
know.
You don't know? What
Yes.
about your mom, your dad, your grandma?
Yes.
Okay. Any of them? What about this? One thing you love about yourself. Do not answer me, I don't know. One thing you love about yourself.
Phone.
Okay. Are you good at something?
Yes.
Like playing?
Yes.
What about this? One thing you would change about your life. Is there any?
Yes.
Is there any? One thing you would change about your life. Just tell me no if none or none.
None.
None. Okay. What about this one? Who? All right. Sorry. Who you would take with you on a spaceship to the moon? Do you like going to the moon?
Yes.
Do you want to go to the moon? Yes or no?
No.
Do you want to go to the moon someday?
No.
Again?
No.
No. Okay. What about this one? Something that is worrying you. What is that? Something
None.
that is worrying you. Worry แปลว่าอะไร
กังวล
Is there something?
None.
Is there any?
None.
No, none. Okay. This one. Which superpower you would choose? Do you want to fly? Like a bird? Do you want to
Yes.
read mind? Do you want to be a super fast or super
Super
strong?
fresh.
Super fast.
Super
Okay.
fresh.
Why do you want to be super fast? Why? So that,
So then,
why? Do you like to run?
so that to run.
So that you can run fast. What about this one? What are the things you are good at? Can you tell me? What are the things that you are good at? Are you good in...
Bicycle.
Oh, okay. Riding a bicycle.
Yes.
How many bicycles do you have?
One bicycle.
Again, how many bicycles do you have?
One.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes.
Okay. What about this one? What do you want to be when you grow up? Do you want to be a doctor, a nurse, an engineer,
Dentist.
a dentist? Why do you want to become a dentist?
Is
Why? What does a dentist do? Huh? What does a dentist do?
Profile
Uh-huh. They take
5,000.
okay. What does a dentist do again? What will you do if you are a dentist? You will take care of the teeth.
Yes.
Right. Okay. What about this one? What is your favorite holiday destination? What is your favorite country? Or what
Thailand.
country do you want to go?
Thailand.
Thailand only?
Only.
What about what about Japan? USA? No?
No.
No, okay. Only Thailand. What about this one? What is your or who is your favorite famous person? Who is your favorite famous person? Famousแปลว่าอะไรนะ
I don't know.
No. Okay. What about, do you know some singer in Thailand?
Of family in my family.
Mm-hmm.
Of
Your family. Your mom. Okay.
yes.
Okay. What about this? Where you would like to live? If you could live anywhere in the world, where do you want to live?
Thailand.
Only Thailand?
Only Thailand.
Oh my gosh. Okay. This one. The best thing about your family. What is the best thing about your family? Are your family hospitable? Okay. Hospitable ka. Are your family hospitable? Hospitable.
ครอบครัวของคุณมีอัธยาศัยดีไหม
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Hospitable แปลว่าอะไรนะ Hospitable แปลว่าอะไร Okay, wait. Hospitable แปลว่า
ใจดี
ใจดี
Yes.
Uh-huh. Okay, what about this one? Something you would like to learn to do. Something you would like to learn to do.
นะครับขอโทษครับ Let's do the learn play computer.
Only computer na, VTech?
Yes.
What else? Only computer?
Only computer.
Okay, do you have computer at home?
Yes.
How many computers do you have?
2.
2. So when you are using your computer, what do you do?
A computer.
Playing. What do you play?
Playing only Roblox.
Roblox. Okay. This one. Which animal you would like to be?
I like animal is
Which animal you would like to be? Do you want to be a lion? A monkey?
is Dog and cat.
Why? Why do you want to be a dog and cat?
Is
Because
beautiful
it's beautiful. Mm-hmm. Okay, and cute, I guess.
and cute.
Okay. What about this one? Do you have your own bedroom?
No,
No. Okay. So what is your bedroom looks like? Is your bedroom has paintings, something like that, flowers, stairs? What can I see in your bedroom? Uh-huh.
tree.
Again? What can I see in your bedroom?
The tree.
Tree. Really?
Yes,
Really?
yes.
What else? What else? Do not tell me you have a bird in your bedroom.
Dinosaur. Mm.
You're kidding me, na?
Dinosaur in bedroom.
Ah, is that a toy?
Yes.
Ah, okay. What
It's
else?
a toy.
A dinosaur, cars, something like that. Books.
Yes.
Uh-huh. What about this one? What is the best gift you have ever received? The best present you have ever received.
mm,
Mm-hmm. What is the best gift you have ever received? Have you received a car gift? A money
Yes.
gift? Okay. A money, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So how much money did they give to you?
Um, I don't know.
You don't know. Around 1,000, 2,000?
Um, 1,000.
1,000. Okay. What about this one? If you could give a gift to your mom, what would it be? Mm-hmm. If you could give a gift to your mom, what would it be?
Um, the best present is
Mm-hmm. What do you like or what thing do you like to give to
I don't
your
know.
mom? You don't know. Okay. I will, for example, tomorrow is your mom's birthday. For example, na,
Yes.
what do you want to give? Do you want to give her a flower? A bag?
Bag.
A bag? What about this one? What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is sunny.
Sunny. Seasonแปลว่า in Thailand you have 3 seasons, right? Summer,
Yes.
rainy, and winter. Sunny is weather. Okay, so who or which of the 3 is your favorite season? Is it summer, winter, or rainy?
Summer.
Summer. Why?
Because playing a songkran.
Playing Songkran. Okay. By the way, last Songkran festival, where did you go?
Or terminal.
Terminal?
Terminal.
Terminal.
In Pattaya.
In Pattaya. Okay, what did you do in Pattaya? Did you swim? Did you play something?
Is something.
What did you play?
Play water gun.
Playing water gun. All right. Did you go there with your friends or family?
Family.
Family. Okay. All right, this one. Do you watch TV?
Yes.
So what is your favorite TV show?
TV show is Tom and Jerry.
Tom and Jerry. Okay. What about this one? What do you do in the summer holidays?
Play songkran.
Playing songkran. Okay. What else? During sunny.
Only play songkran.
Playing songkran. Okay. Not every day is a songkran day, right?
And
Yes.
and I don't know. Sure.
You don't know? Only playing water or songkran? What about playing
Yes.
sport?
None.
No. Okay. This one. Could you tell me or share me something when a time you felt sad?
None.
No?
None.
What about this? No more. Okay. So let's go to next one is, all right, this one. Let us just summarize this lesson. Okay, so this is about habitat. Habitat pewa alay na?
I don't know.
Habitat is a place where something lives. For example, where do you live? Do you live in the forest or at home?
At home.
At home. What about a monkey? Where does a monkey live?
In
In the
in
in
the
the
Australia.
in the zoo, in the jungle, right?
In the Australia.
All right. What about a fish? Where does a fish live?
In the ocean.
In the ocean or in the sea? What about a shark?
Ocean.
In the ocean also. Okay. So these are habitats. A habitat, again, is a place. Placeแปลว่าอะไรนะ?
สถานที่
Okay. It is a place where something lives. For example, there are different types of habitat, such as hot or cold place. Hot place such as savanna. What else? Desert. Right?
Yes.
Where can you see a desert? In Africa or in Africa. Right?
Yes.
What about
Yes.
cold places?
In
These are
I
the
don't
place
know.
which has a lot
I
of
don't
ice
know.
everywhere. In Arctic. Okay. What about, okay, so a habitat is also big or small. A habitat is also on land, like in the forest, in the zoo, in the field, in the farm, or in water, such as in the sea, in the river, something like that. Right? Okay. To summarize this one, so these are the habitats. Sample of habitats are field or farm. So what are or what do you think the animals that lives on the farm? What are the animals that lives on the farm or in the field? It can be horse,
Elephant.
right? Oink, oink,
Elephant.
pig, horse, sheep, right? In the farm. Farmแปลว่าอะไรนะ?
Farm.
Farm. Have you been into a farm?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Have you been into a farm? Again, what animals you can see in the farm?
Chicken.
Chicken. Okay, chicken, pig, moo, ba, me. ใช่ไหม?
Yes.
What about in the tree? A tree is also a habitat.
Parrots. Parrots.
Parrot or any kind of bird. What about in the river?
Giraffe.
In the in the river?
Yes.
Can be small crab or crablets, shrimp, small shells, small fish. What about in the desert again?
I don't know.
Camel.
No. Camel.
Camel. Okay. What about this one? Coral reefs. Coral reef. Where can you see a reef? In the
Ocean.
in the ocean. Okay. So under the ocean, you can see corals. What can you see in the coral reef? You can see different kinds of
Can see. Ocean is Nemo fish.
Nemo fish or different kinds of fish. What else? What else? Starfish. Right? Starfish, jellyfish, any kind of fish.
Mentally.
What about this one in the rainforest? Rainforest is usually wet. Wet แปลว่าอะไรนะ?
I don't know.
Wet แปลว่าอะไร? It looks like it is always raining. Wet.
เปียก
เปียก. What do you think the animals that lives in the forest?
Monkey.
Monkey. What else?
Tiger.
Tiger. Lion can be. What about in the mountains? What do you think?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, so I will. This. What are the mountain animals? This one. These are. Yes.
Deer.
These are mountain animals.
Deer.
This one. So we have here.
Deer.
We have leopard. This one. We have leopard here. Cougar. It looks like a goat. This one.
Goat.
Okay. And then another one is, what about the animals or mini bees that can be found in the grass?
Ant.
Ants. What else?
Only ant.
Only ants. What about ladybug?